RBU-1200. The RBU-1200 Russian, Reaktivno-Bombovaya Ustanovka, Reaktivno-Bombovaja Ustanovka, reaction engine bomb installation, and Smерч waterspout, is a Russian anti-submarine rocket launcher. The weapon system is remotely similar to the British Hedgehog anti-submarine rocket launcher from the Second World War. Description: the system is very light and was developed in 1955 especially for smaller vessels. It cannot be swiveled horizontally. It is targeted with the entire ship, which is a serious disadvantage of the weapon system. The RBU-1200 has 5 launcher pipes in one system. Reloading is done manually. The system is controlled by a USB fire control system. The system is designed to destroy submarines and torpedoes. Ammunition RBU-12 uses contact fuses. The launch is made of solid rocket fuel. The flight itself is ballistic arc with a long range from 400 to 1200 meters. The contact lighter K-3M or combined contact remote lighter KDV is used as a lighter. Lighter K-3/K-3M activates the warhead in direct hit target or impact on the bottom. KDV lighter outside impact on the target bottom in the range of 25-330 meters can also be set to activate when reaching the specified depths in the range 10-330 meter. Technical data: launcher weight 620 kg emptied, kg emptied, TKG empty. Length 1.38 m, 8 m, 38 m, 8 m. Height 1.1 mm, 1 m, 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 1 m. Width 11-15 mm, elevation 0 to 51 deg. Traverse 0 to RBU-12 projectile. Weight 73 kg. Warhead 30 kg. Diameter 251.7 mm, 7 mm. Length 1.24 mm. 4 mm, 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 4 mm. Range 400 m to 1200 m, 100 m, 100 m, 100 m, 100 m, 100 m, m. Depth up to 350 m. Rate of descent 6.25 m/s. Operators: ship class is fitted with RBU-1200, list not complete. Albanian Naval Force. Kronstadt-class submarine chaser, Bangladesh Navy. Kajui-class submarine chaser, Type 37 submarine chaser, Type 53 Home frigate, Type 53 H2 frigate. People's Liberation Army Navy, Main 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 Navy. Type 51 destroyer, Type 52 destroyer, Type 53 Home frigate. Bulgarian Navy, in Navy, Bulgarian Navy. Kronstadt-class submarine chaser, Pauk-class corvette. Cuban Revolutionary Navy, Pauk-class corvette. Kronstadt-class submarine chaser, Finnish Navy, Hamina-class mine layer. Kisla-class patrol boat. Kronstadt-class submarine chaser, Indonesian Navy. Kronstadt-class submarine chaser, Indian Navy. Abhay-class corvette. Libyan Navy. Natia-class minesweeper. Myanmar Navy. Ongzae-class frigate. Kayan Sitha-class frigate. Type 53 Home frigate. Anarata-class corvette. Yan Nyen Ong-class submarine chaser. Hainan-class submarine chaser. Polish Navy. Kronstadt-class submarine chaser. Romanian Naval Forces, Kronstadt-class submarine chaser, Soviet Navy, Russian Navy, Project 1241.2 POC class, Project 266M Natia class, Kronstadt-class submarine chaser, Syrian Arab Navy, Natia class minesweeper, Volksmarine, Project 12 high class.